Hello, Eat for Lifers. Welcome to Eat for Life by Marsha on Sharon Sunday. My focus is on nutritious, gluten-free and dairy-free meals made with wholesome ingredients. I will be sharing with you what went down last week, what's going on today, and what's happening next week. Let's go! Last Tuesday was National Green Juice Day. On my social media, I shared my daily green juice along with the ingredients, nutrients, and health benefits. Be sure to check that out for more ways to add greens to your healthy eating lifestyle. Also, last Thursday was National Blueberry Pancake Day. On my social media, I shared my vegan and vegetarian blueberry pancake made with oat flour and almond flour. More ways to eat for life. The recipe today will be the blueberry pancake, grain-free and paleo. Let's make it! To make the pancake grain-free and paleo, I have replaced the oat flour with cassava flour and the rice milk with almond milk. You can use coconut milk as well. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients and set aside. In a large bowl, whisk the wet ingredients, add the dry ingredients, and mix until moist. Get your griddle or skillet ready and hot over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Scatter a few blueberries over each pancake. Cook for about 3 minutes or until you see the edges getting golden brown and bubbles starting to form on top. Carefully flip the pancakes and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked through. Serve and enjoy. Well, Eat for Lifers, there you have it. More ways to eat for life. Recipe information can be found below, or you can visit my website at eatforlifebymarsha.com. So what's going on next week? Let's find out. Next week, we are moving into February, and the highlight is Valentine and Hearth Month. Mondays on my social media, I usually post what is going on for the week, so please check weekly for what recipes, tips, and resources is shared for a healthier, happier you. For the next week, we are celebrating National Food Days. We got poutine, carrot, homemade soup, and many more. In addition, I share inspiration and information on days like Tips Tuesday, Wellness Wednesday, Thoughtful Thursday, Freebie Friday. Well, thank you, Eat for Lifers, for tuning in. And remember, now is the time to eat your way to a healthier, happier life.